do you know, guys, how to make crust? So only apparently we have 3 things, and we on the top we have 2 things. Like the one is this. Now we put 4 of them. Now where's water? Let me get here. Guys, it's so sunny. Activate power sun mode. Yes, I think that actually worked. Now we just have to place water. Now we place this and the this, that, yeah, not. Now we place together over here. No, our beauty. Guys, this video is subscribe, guys, if you think it's good.